Well, there was a little bit of a radiator leak, and we thought it was this connection right down here on the end of this piece right here. And then we decided it wasn't there, and then we noticed water leaking from this side over here. So we thought it was the water pump. So we got a new water pump. In the process of taking it apart, we had all this all open. We discovered it was actually the gasket on the timing chain cover. So we got that kit to get replaced. Then I noticed that on the tensioner, it didn't spring back. They're supposed to be spring loaded, so we had to get a new tensioner in there. So new valve cover, or new timing chain cover, a gasket kit, a new tensioner, and we went ahead and put the water pump on, even if it wasn't bad, but we didn't figure, while we got it off, we might as well change it. So we changed that, and that stopped the water leak. And then we filled the radiator back up, and then on this one, this is the overfill that you're going to check. That's where you check the level and see where it's at. And it looks like we probably need to add a little bit to it. So we'll add some here pretty soon, and then that'll be done. So that was the one thing. We thought it was one thing, but it was something different, and didn't get in it, and they tear it down, and there's a whole lot more stuff going on. So we have a whole bunch of new parts up here, and now we don't have to worry about the antifreeze leaking. So that part is taken care of.